Hello everyone, welcome back to this lecture. In this lecture, we are going to write a simple Hello World program in Python and how to run this Hello World program with the help of PyCharm IDE. Let's begin the session. Before going to initiating a session, I'll be back to relaunch PyCharm IDE and creating a new Python file to write the program. We'll see. Just I'm going to closing this project exit. Yes. So double click on PyCharm or else press the start button and launch the PyCharm IDE which is installed in your computer system. So here you may observe a simple pages see on left side it's in a project, this window, this project left side, and you see the project. In our previous lecture we have learned how to create a new project. So I'm making like a main.py file is also closed. So now let's see, to creating a new Python file, how simple it is. Right click on Python file, like a Python project, whichever the folder or project name you are created. Right click on the project folder in this area. Right click, new, here Python file. On new you may find directly to create new Python file. It is like a right click, new Python file. So click on Python file. It will ask you immediately name of the file. So I am putting welcome. Just simply I am typing welcome. Whenever you are creating a new file, don't use any spaces or don't use any special characters even. So simply you can type the name of the file, just simply welcome or any of your own. And first there is three options are here, and the first one is Python file. Select the Python file and hit enter. So the new file is created here. The new file is created here. So here what I am writing here, very simply, print and open and end braces. Yeah, it's like font is very low. For the purpose what I am trying to doing here, file, go to settings, file, go to settings. Here there is an option called fonts. You may see the font option here, menus and toolbars. Font option is available here only. Yeah, if you are familiar, you just go to the font option directly. The editor. Yeah, here it is. Under the editor, font is like this one. The font is JetBrains Mono. The font is JetBrains Mono, and here 13 is my font size. I'm making it is up to 12. I'm making up to 12. Sorry, I want to make it little bit big. So this is the font size we are able to getting. So if you want to a color scheme also, the color scheme also, if you want to change to classic and all, you may apply here, brighter editor. Yes, classic light. These are the options. Whichever you want to change your editing of the editor, you may change the editor. These are the editor options. These all are code editor options. And if you want to make an option to I'll tell you one more great option to handle this size ups and downs using mouse. Yes, that is also possible. So how it is possible? You may go on editor, there is a general, change the font size with the control plus mouse. See this checkbox you need to click, active window, automatically will happens. Click OK and OK. Hold the control button, make up and down. Automatically you will big your screen will be big and small will happens. These all are very important to while writing the program using Python in your IDE. So very conveniently I have taken this white color background with this text string. So here writing the print, open and end parenthesis, inside I am inserting a double quotes. Shift plus quote option will come automatically double quotes. See, hello world I have written here. Now I have prepared a welcome message in Python. There is no curly braces and all, just simply print, open and end parenthesis, inside double quotes, hello world. So here what you need, how to run this program, just right click on the name of the file wherever you are right click on the file, and here you may observe the run welcome file name. It will show you run welcome like a file name, or there is a keyboard shortcut called Control plus Shift plus F10. Control plus Shift plus F10. By pressing this shortcut key also, you will get by compile the file and you will get the output. And I'm using in my mouse, and right click here and run welcome. Now see, at the bottom you see the output what we have seen, like these statement for the line number 3 statement, hello world only we are getting here by running this application. So see, this print, open and end parenthesis, these strings, these are the things we are not getting anything in out. So the compiler is successfully running, and see, you may observe here process finished with the exit code 0 means you are getting successfully output. So my software installation of Python, PyCharm, all are successfully running, and I am showing you here is a first application, like a first program to write the Python. If you want to create more statements, let's see, very simply print, open and end parenthesis, and here hello Shekhar, my name this is. I am prepared 2 statements, and here also there is a green button is there. First time you need to run the independent file, on right click of the file name and run. Now second one onwards, the window here it is on the bottom, you may press the green button to get the outputs. So like how many string statements you are preparing here to get the output, these many statements you will get in the output. So here it is a 2, we are getting hello Shekhar and hello world. So welcome program is successfully completed with the help of your cooperation. So try to write yourself using a simple statements to initiate your welcome like a Python programming language. I wish you good luck. For this section, I am going to assigning a simple assessment to you. Anyhow, later you will get the solution on immediate lecture. Wish you all the best. Thank you.